Welcome back to Cooking with the Capons, and today we have our two snapper friends.
We're making snapper pre-Mother's Day dinner for Lori, who loves the whole fish. We're going to take all this stuff and turn it into something very special for Lori. My sous chef over here, Max, is slicing some potatoes on the Japanese mandolin, nice and thin. We're going to throw those in a pan and roast them. And I'm going to ship it on some Napa cabbage and saute it with some shiitake mushrooms and some fresh ginger. Shiitake mushrooms, browning nicely. We're going to season those with some salt and pepper. We threw some shaved potatoes in a very hot Teflon pan. We're going to season those with salt and pepper, some chopped garlic and onions, and then throw the whole thing in the oven. Potatoes are browning. I just added a shaved red onion and about 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to season it with salt and pepper. See how it's nice and brown? We're going to throw the whole thing in the oven and let it just roast away. And we got some Napa cabbage going as well. In the same pan, the mushrooms. Our Napa cabbage and our sauteed shiitake mushrooms. We got a hot pan. We're going to put in some fresh ginger. We're going to quick little fry, nice and crispy. And then we're going to add in those mushrooms and the Napa cabbage and a little bit of fresh lime juice. We're going to take the fillets off the snapper, give it a good wipe, make sure it's nice and dry, get all any scales off of there, and right along the top bone, nice and easy. Let the knife do the work. There you go. Should come off pretty easily, and there you go. I'm embarrassed to say, but my fish pliers are at work. These are going to be a little challenging. We just want to get in there. And just see that? Pull out each pin bone just by using your finger, run along. Each pin bone comes out one by one. It makes it a little bit easy to eat. We're checking the potato cake in the oven. Nice and golden brown without doing anything. And then it doesn't stick. We're going to give it one big flip. Oh, that's what we're looking for right there. Crispy golden brown. All right, here we go. A little bit of olive oil in the sheet pan. Okay, because you don't want stuff to stick. We took some zucchini, shaved it on the mandolin, seasoned it with some salt and pepper. We're going to layer it out so it gets a little bit crispy. We are then going to take our fillets of red snapper over the top of the zucchini. We then have olives, tomatoes, red onion, oregano, and garlic. We're going to mix that all up. I'm going to put a splash of olive oil in there. Scatter it all over the top. Okay, just like this. It's okay. Look how beautiful that looks. We're going to take a little bit of white wine, because this is going to be your sauce, okay? And squeeze a little lemon over it. And we're going to pop that whole thing in the oven. It's going to cook and make a sauce. All right, it's been about 12 minutes, maybe 10 to 12 minutes. See how beautiful that is? Watch out, buddy. Come around over here, buddy. Come around over here. Max made these beautiful potatoes. Take some fry out of those potatoes. And now all you do is take these peppers. Zucchini's nice and cooked. And the trick is, the sauce is right off the pan. Whoop! Serve and enjoy.